Oh, look, I got a new voicemail.
You have no message.
What? It says I have a new voicemail. Why is it saying I have no messages? This phone is broken. That's basically what I see in a whole bunch of reviews for cordless phones of answering systems. The reason is simple.
You have no message.
That is the built-in answering system. And this is telling me that my provider has a new voicemail on it. To check the messages on your voicemail, you have to dial an access number to access your voicemail.
You have 1 new and 45 old messages.
Then once you make the message old, the new voicemail indicator goes away. Answering system messages are indicated by the word message, a number or icon or flashing light on the base, and a tape cassette icon on many handsets. And to play them on a handset, you would select an item with the word message in it. Whereas anything pertaining to phone company voicemail has the word voicemail or the letters VM. So this voicemail option turns off the indicator that indicates there's a phone company voicemail, while Play Messages plays the messages in the built-in answering system. Answering system messages are stored on the phone or machine itself. Phone company voicemail is stored on a server or system. In my case, each FreePBX extension on my FreePBX system has a voicemail box assigned to them. And the virtual machine running on my MacBook is the server storing those voicemail messages. You can access them by dialing an access number on your phone.
You have 46 old messages.
And they can be accessed by any phone on the line.
You have
Whereas messages on a built-in answering system
You have
can only be accessed from the phone or machine that the message is stored on. For a multi-handset system where you can access the answering system from the handsets, you have more opportunities to access the messages because you can access them from any of the handsets. But if you share the line with other phones, if other phones share the same line, you have to use the phone that actually has the messages on it to retrieve them, especially if you have multiple answering systems on the same line, like I do here. Answering system, answering system, answering system, answering system, answering system. In both cases, you can access your messages by calling in from another phone. I'm sure most people don't know this, but many answering systems let you do this. You can enter a 2 or more digit remote access code, as it's called, while you're hearing your answering system's greeting to play the messages on it. Just like how you can you can interrupt your voicemail greeting and enter a password or PIN to access your voicemail messages. So now let's demonstrate this on both this answering system and my voicemail. And I set the passwords to example ones that I don't actually use. First, for the answering system, I'm going to call from this other extension.
Hello. Please leave a message after the tone.
Now I'm going to enter the code 12 that I set.
You have one old message. Wednesday, 8:36 p.m. Hello. Calling. Message deleted. End of messages. To play all messages, press 1. To play play new messages, press 2. To repeat the previous message, press 4.
And it gives you instructions on how to operate the system. But notice that that was the main menu, if you will. And it also gave me instructions that don't apply there, like repeating and skipping. Most answering system remote access prompts are just jumbled messes of commands. They're not actual phone tree menus, as they're called, like on a voicemail system. Now, on my voicemail system, I can access that by, for example, simulating that I'm on the phone by just going off hook. The ATA is going to reject that because it's off hook.
This goose is on the phone.
Password.
Then I can press star and enter my password.
You have 46 old messages. Press 1 for old messages. Press 2 to change folders.
And then I can do everything I can do by dialing directly into my system. By default, FreePBX uses star 97, but I changed it to star 99 for consistency with Xfinity and the pretend wireless landline in my pretend airplane cockpit. To put it simple, if your phone says voicemail, that has to do with your phone company or service voicemail. In this video, the phone company is the extension that my phones are connected to on my FreePBX system. And message pertains to the built-in answering system. People use voicemail and answering system interchangeably sometimes, but technically, an answering system is a physical device connected to your line or built into a phone like this VTech, while voicemail is a messaging system that is stored on a server or system powered by a PBX or provided by your phone company.